Okay. Let's see. Okay. Something didn't work on the live stream. It didn't work. The live didn't work. I have... I don't know why. Let's see. Why it didn't work? Are we live? No. Upcoming live streams. Ah, yes. Perfect. Okay, it's working. It's working. Perfect. So, hi everyone. I think I'll cut this initial part, but we are here to try the new search feature for daily dev. Sorry, a couple of technical issues. I think it was related to the putting the right time back. So hi everyone. If you're in the chat, just say hi in the chat below. So today we will try together the search feature of daily dev. So let me start sharing my screen. And there we go. Let's share the screen. Maybe without the... Okay, nice. So that's it. I want to try maybe like this. I like this format, or maybe this one. Let's see. We have some people. So if you're here in the chat, say hi, and you can start to ask me something about this new feature. So we can ask it everything. Of course, this might fail in a couple of tests. I hope not, to be honest. But let's see. Okay, just one moment, because I thought it didn't work, but it seems it worked. Nice. So first thing, that if you can like this video, share the video, tagging daily.dev. I'll share it also in this from the daily dev account. So hi everyone, let me put it here. Okay. Nice. Let me put this on the on the daily dev account. So let's share it on Twitter live. One moment. Hi everyone, how are you? By the way, live with me, with Francesco. Okay. Nice. So that's it. So live, perfect. Let me share also this on LinkedIn. Maybe we can share this. Share, copy. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let me go on LinkedIn. Let's see. So we can try different things. I think it's funny if you ask me something in the chat, and then we'll try together what will be the result using the daily dev search feature. Let's see. Nice. Hi everyone. Hi Duog, back. This is a live stream where we will test the new search feature of daily dev. We will start very, very soon. But before that, of course, we want to promote it a bit. That's very important, to test the new search feature. Okay, nice. That's it. I also want to share this in the daily dev Slack channel. Let's see if we get some people. Let's see it. It works. Okay. It works. Okay, nice. So this I want to chat in the community. Okay, we are live. Search squads. Search. Okay. Live. And also in a random. Okay, nice. So I think we can start. We'll start asking something. So this is the idea. You propose something that I can ask the search, or if I don't get any ideas, I'll just find them by myself. So just give me literally 1 minute. Okay. daily.dev is a resource and a community for dev to write, share articles, and they have a browser extension. This is to show the new search feature of the browser. Perfect. Ping ping ball. That was a perfect answer. Nice. So now I want to ask you, do you know the search feature, or is this the first time that you hear about this? So do you know what is this? Very simple. So do you know what the search feature is? Yes or not? So just if you just know the feature or not. So not like if you're an expert. Search feature of the daily.dev. Daily.dev search feature. So start the poll. Okay, some people know. Hey Daphne, how's it going? Just getting started here. Just warming up. Love it. I put a poll so you can reply. So because I need to know if we want to also explain everything. I want to tell you that if you want, you can go in the docs, and there is this. You can search. You can search for search. Okay. So we have also the documentation about the search. I'll put this in the chat if you want to know more. Hi, Towns. I see some people are joining here. Nice. So, hey, Tomer, great fun. Okay, so this is the game. You type something in the chat, asking something. If it's legal to show it on the live stream, I'll just ask to the daily search, and so you can also see my live reaction about it. That's it. But first, I want to make also a post from my Twitter account. Okay. Okay. What is the best ever developer advocate? Daphne, why are so? I don't know if it can reply. I don't think it will reply, but let's see. What is the best ever developer advocate? So, of course, if this says Francesco, it's absolutely biased. And let's see. Let's see if we get an answer. Not allowed. So this was not not a question we can ask. Nice. Okay, so let's go here. Let's start with something easy, please. How to center a div. How to center div. I've used the search a bit before the live. Okay, there we go. Nimrod. Okay, how to center a div. So first of all, it should improve the sense of humor. Let's see. Center a div, use different methods. Okay. This is probably the best answer you will ever have. So you can actually center a div. Pretty straightforward. Oh my god, I love it. So Nimrod is on a roll. So he's taking all the good questions. So you should. I'll put Nimrod on a hold for 2 minutes. So you have 2 minutes to drop a question. I also want to put this. No, I want to put the one by Nimrod. Okay. There we go. Nice. So should I go with this one? Nice. So I'm putting this on my Twitter account. So you have 2 minutes to drop all the questions in the chat. Live trying the new search. The new daily dev search feature. Daily dev search feature. Okay. Nice. And now also this. Oh, pink pinball. This is a very good one. This is a very good one. So the bad news is that I can't copy paste in StreamYard. So okay, let's go with this and let's see what is JavaScript hoisting. This is a concept in JavaScript. Let's see if we get a good answer. 3 seconds. This is true. This is not scripted. Hoisting is JavaScript default behavior of moving declarations on the top. So basically, when you declare some variables in the past JavaScript, they were moved to the top. So, and this is, of course, this is the explanation. Oh, I really loved it. This is actually an idea for a video. So, for example, I like that you can use AI to create this. Like, this is a video. I could create a video about this. So, variable hosting with var. So, variable declared with var are hosted and initialized with a default value of undefined. And you can show this example on the screen. And then the hosting with let and const is different because are hoisted but not initialized with the default value. Right. And there's also function hosting. So, this is a great answer. This is a great answer. I really like this. Which GPT-4? What do you mean? Like, what are we using? There is an article by Ido, who helped in creating this tool, when he explains also the tech stack. But you should find it somewhere. I'm also closing this. But nice. So let me make the Twitter post. You can type whenever you want. You can ask it here. Yes, we have also some free accesses. We have 30% of the people here, they don't know about the search feature. So this live stream is actually good. Nice. Just give me literally 1 minute to post this. How can I do this? Let's see. Okay. Search feature. Nice. You know that you can create clips in a YouTube live stream? You can. Okay. That's it. Let's see if we can get some people. Okay. Nice. Okay. There are many. So Nimrod is on a roll. So I want to take this. So let's take this. I'll use the Nimrod ones as a backup. When to use Redux? So Redux is basically a way to host, to handle state management. My answer would be when the application is complex enough to make it like meaningful. So when to use Redux? Let's see. We are trying this live. And this is in beta test. Okay, so Redux is a state management library that is commonly used with React. It provides a centralized data store for managing application state. I want to just give you say something. This is absolutely free. You can use this for free. If you have access to this feature, you have this absolutely for free. So. Multiple components need to access. However, it's important to know not all application need Redux, introduce complexity and constraint to the code. So my Francesco GBT also was not that bad. Nice. I'm saving this. And now we can go with this one. So, okay, nice. Drop your questions. I can't copy. I can copy paste from YouTube. Wait. Yeah, there is a technical article. What are... Okay, I can come and paste it from here, from YouTube. Okay, so what are the reasons to not use TypeScript? I think that, okay, let me try to reply. So the reasons to not use TypeScript is that when you have a JavaScript code, apart from Java. Private scope that already works, so you don't need to. So probably migrating to TypeScript would add some useless complexity. So this is one use case. You have a JavaScript project, it works perfectly. You don't want to improve something. It's like a service that already works. I don't want to include something. So this is probably would be my answer. Let's see. And this is also, I'm also trying Francesco's knowledge. Several reasons. Steep learning curve. Okay. Not use TypeScript. Okay. So here it got like more like as a developer use TypeScript. Build step requires an additional build step to transpile the code. Yes, this is also true. Limited community support. Oh my God, I should have had this idea. Limited community support. So probably you find, like for example, I remember that I implemented a PayPal integration some years ago. It was easier with JavaScript because I had the JavaScript examples and not TypeScript examples to make a PayPal integration. That's the reason. Yeah. Potential performance overhead. Not sure about this, but for sure, yeah. It includes an overhead. Compatibility issues with existing JavaScript code. Great question. Great answer. Not most for me, but the one from ChatGPT was great. Technical article. Okay. I'll go in order. Of course, feel free to drop all the questions you want. We are not limited. I don't know if at some point I'll got some limitations. I'm not using any special version of the search. This is like real. It's real, like usage. I don't have like a specific or magic user to use this. Just want to share. There is a pinned post, but also share it. Okay, so this is the link for the wait list. If you don't want to wait, you can make a post about this live stream, and we'll send you a free code. You see, I have some free codes here, 80. I will not use them all, but I still have some free codes. Probably this will be the last ones. So, okay, so let's go in order. I start to get, at some point, I'm sure that I will have too many questions that I can't reply them all. But for now, let's see. Why do programmers struggle with regex? I think that, okay, so why do programmers struggle with regex? I think the reason is that it's not easy for the human brain to think about all the possibilities of a regular expression. It's very complex for the human brain to think about all the patterns, probably. So that's the idea. So it's not programmers, but like human brain in general. It's harder to predict all the possible interpretations of this string or whatever. Let's see. Nice. Regex are known to be difficult for programmers. The researcher's paper, wow, there is a paper. Regular expression, study and understand how developers interact with regexes. Study involved, okay. Some people, I hope that these people are fine. Developers perceive regexes to be difficult in various aspects, including reading, writing, validating, searching. Two major risks, portability and performance. Make decisions in the regex programming process based on factors such as the complexity of the problem. Difficulties in programming regex include defining the problem, comprehension, finding reusability candidates, and syntax. Also, yeah, the syntax is horrible. The syntax is horrible. Lack of tool of assistance. I like this, that you have this link at the end. Regexes are hard. Summary, background, motivation. Someone went really in the rabbit hole of this. Wow. Nice. Is tax stack? What is a tax stack? Tax stack. Sorry, Tanzil, I can't understand. Ah, like this. What are some React security vulnerabilities? What what are some React security vulnerabilities? Nice. First of all, we get an answer, which is good. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Okay. Vulnerabilities cross-site scripting, known as XSS. Can you read? Do you want it a bit bigger? Maybe this? Maybe this looks better. You think? Yeah, let's go like this. No, I think it's better. XSS, cross-script scraping, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, okay, server-side rendering attacks, zip slip, vulnerability that can exploit through directory traversal attacks, and then at the end you have like React security vulnerabilities and how to address them. Love it. Like think about how, like if you have like maybe you write a great article and it's ready, this search redirects you to that. Think if ChatGPT had something like this, but it doesn't have this, so it just tries basically to steal everyone's content. But here we are redirecting to the current sources. This is from a ethical perspective. This is it's amazing. It's really amazing. I would use it just for this. Hello. Cloud AI. What is cloud AI? Yes, pink pinball. Yeah, absolutely. So we need more questions. I ask you maybe to double check because sometimes I can't understand. So try to put the statement as clear as possible. Double check it. Because, for example, here I can't understand what is cloud. For me, cloud AI. I don't know what cloud AI is, but I can ask. But I don't know. What is cloud AI? I don't. Let's see. You are right. What is? Maybe it's me. You are right, Nimrod. That is. Okay. You are right. This version of Anthropic large language model is called Cloud 2. Okay. Cloud 2 is an AI chatbot. I never heard this. Comparing model being hailed as a potential ChatGPT killer. Anthropic company started by a group part of a company called Anthropic. Okay, nice. Sorry. So it was because maybe I worked in the cloud too much. So try cloud, sign up, open beta. Available in the US and the UK, so it's not available for my house. Why? Just make something available worldwide. Yeah. Safety, unique ability. Okay. I mean, the fact that is not available worldwide, for me, it's a blocker. So, yes. So cloud AI and I have to say something. So this is focused for developers. So we'll get a question. You see, the question is trying to be as technical as possible. Yeah, you can use this if you want. Cloud AI and ChatGPT for differences. Let's see. Cloud 2 and ChatGPT are two conversational AI-powered chatbots that offer advanced natural language. It is a comparison, background, popularity and availability, knowledge base, support languages, text context limit, processing time. So, okay, it makes a good comparison. There is also the these links here. Okay, I like this one by Tomer. How would you design an algorithm to efficiently detect and correct spelling errors in a large dataset of unstructured text? Wow, this is hard. I'm not even trying to answer, but probably algorithm to efficiently correct spelling errors. So there are different types of errors. I don't know if it's just because if it's just a word, you can even go one by one. But probably the good idea is to use an existing data set to make a comparison. Let's see. Interesting. Correct spelling in large data set, you can consider the following approaches. So pre-trained language models, okay, dictionary-based approaches, edit distance, okay. I've studied some of those in university, but it was literally more than 10 years ago. Language-specific libraries, machine learning models, GitHub typo corpus. Interesting, this link. Okay. GitHub typo corpus, a large-scale multilingual dataset of misspelling and grammatical errors. Interesting. Nice. So, I don't know, for now it's going great. No, I mean it's good, but let me make a post. We are live. We are live with okay. So we are live, and I'm checking the social media now. A moment, and then we'll keep going. Nice. Cool. Let's see if we get this, and probably the best examples. They will become part of maybe a video that we'll share later on social media or in the next upcoming days. So let me hide this. Let me go back here. Nice. Okay. So other ideas. Come on. Otherwise, I'll just ask. But I think it's more fun. By the way, we are 40% of the people that never heard about the daily dev search feature. Mind blowing. So, if you have some ideas, you can just drop it, and I will just ask about this for you in this live stream. Nice. Nice. 30 minutes already passed. So the goal, it would be to have like at least 1 hour. So let me see if we get, I think we have, okay. So while we're waiting, let's for this. So is HTML a program? So there we go. So what is my answer for this? So okay, let's step out of Twitter for a while. So HTML is not a programming language. It's, to be precise, it's not a Turing complete programming language because it misses some parts. It's a markup language. This doesn't mean that can't be used by a programmer. It's one of the most important languages in the programming world, if not the most important one. So it's all about the definition here. So if you don't get this, this sort of joke / memes, but that's it. So let's see what is the answer. No, it's not replying. Let me try. If I try, it's not allowed. I don't know why. It failed. Okay. Oh, maybe I hit the limit. Let me try. Maybe I can go with this because I have another one. So let me do. Is HTML a programming language? Okay. I think I hit some sort of limit, but I didn't get the example. So it was not allowed, but so I have to use this other account now. Okay, so HTML is not considered a programming language, but the majority, here it says, it's leaving like the door open. It's a markup language that provides declarative instructions to a computer. HTML is not a programming language, according to Turing completeness. It's still considered a coding language. It's a language for programmers, but it's not a programming language. It's all about definitions here. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay. Now we're getting some more core questions. I can try to reply to some of them. Yeah. So overloading and overriding. So overloading and overriding are two methods of method. So the override is basically, they are connected to the concept of inheritance. And when you overload, you are basically making multiple functions with different parameters. So it's like, I don't know, like you can overload the method of a sum. You can sum strings, you can sum numbers, you can sum, I don't know, booleans. So this is the overload, but you can also be, the classic example of an overload function is the toString method. So you can use toString with numbers, with text, and so on. So you overload, so the name of the function is the same, but it uses different parameters. Override is basically to change the behavior of an inherited object because you want to do something different in that case. Let's see if I got it correctly. I haven't done an interview for a while, so can you explain overload, I think is, and overriding, well, with the help of a program. Basically, we are testing Francesco, not research. Okay, so two important concept in Java. Okay, I don't think it's just Java, but okay. Overloading. So overloading is also known as a compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. Same class. Methods have the same name, but different parameters listed, so they have different parameters. The overloaded methods can have different return types, and this is an example. Add. This is the example that I did. You can add ints, you can add 3 ints, you can add doubles. So this was correct. And Precodecamp.org, the source. Okay. Overriding is also known as a runtime polymorphism. So at a runtime, it occurs between a superclass and subclass. So in the inheritance, the overriding methods have the same name and parameters list. Okay. And I didn't say this, but it's okay because this is what it is. So animal makes sound. So this is basically the generic. It's like the generic animal makes a sound. But if you use a class of a cat that extends an animal and you override the make sound method, you can do something, let's say, more specific for the cat. So basically, all the animals, they make some sound, but if I have a cat, the cat meows. Nice. Okay. This is getting super, super interesting. Let's go with this one by Tomer. Describe the circumstances under which an array index out of bound exception can occur in Java. Okay. Array index out of bound exception. It's one of them. It's for sure when you have and you try to hit an index that does not exist. Let's see if it's more precise. Runtime exception, thrown when a programmer tries to access the value of an element in an array with an invalid index. The Java compiler does not check for this error during compilation. Of course, because it can't. Here are the examples showing different cases. So we have this array with a 4, 1, 2, 6, and 7. Index 2. The problem is that, okay, so I can even do an index that does not exist, for example, a negative index, or an index, index 2 into is basically the index. For example, if I put I don't know, as an index a string or something that is not valid. Accessing the element at an index greater than the size of an array in 1. So yes, the classic example to solve this, it's with a try catch block. So basically, if there is an error, that maybe it's okay to have an error here, but we are handling this. So we are handling we are catching the exceptions, and we are handling this. In this case, we are just printing out this. Mm-hmm. And we can also return this error. Love it. Really like it. Sources. 10 sources. Jig4Jigs, Stack Overflow, Oracle. Great answer here. Great answer here. Really enjoyed it. So, what is a Turing complete? So, a Turing complete it's not enough. We should say what is a Turing complete program. So, a Turing complete program is a program that can do anything. Can do anything. It means that it can, let's say, I think it's about to, for example, there is the Turing machine that is Turing complete, and you can move. It has a state and transitions. For me, it's a bit harder to give an explanation now. I'm sure that I was able in the past to reply to this. So Turing completeness is about the operations that you can have inside a system, and it has to do with state and transitions. But I can't provide a great answer now. Let's see. What is a Turing complete? Let's try like this. You should understand that the Turing complete is about a programming language. Yeah, refers to the property of a system of data manipulation rules. To computers or systems, Turing equivalence. Yes. Okay. Yes, so there is, I mentioned the Turing machine and the Turing completeness, but yes. It's not super easy to give an answer on this now. I studied this like 20 years ago, but yeah. Nice. To complete or computation. So basically, you can do all the possible operations with this, and this is also the Turing machine. Combination logic. Yeah, I've been studying this for months. Nice. Okay. So if you have more questions, just drop them. But for now, this live demo is going very well. Very well. So it's I'm super happy. It's going well. It's fast. It's free. It gives sources. Great. The fact that you can use it for free, I think it's the most mind-blowing thing, because I mean, if it was like a paid feature for pro users, like it will be like a good one, but like this is absolutely mind-blowing. You can just go. I started using it like in my daily workflow when I just don't know, or for example, if I wanted to ask about something very specific for developers, for me now this is probably a tool that I'll use. I'll use at least this and ChatGPT, because sometimes I just want a fast answer. I think it's going well. Can explain the bubble sort algorithm. So the bubble sort algorithm is an algorithm with a complexity of O elevated at the second. So the idea of the bubble sort is that you have an iteration and you compare the elements in an array, let's say for simplicity, two at a time. So the first with the second, the third with the fourth, the fifth with the sixth, and if the the first with the second, then the second with the third, sorry. And then if they are in order, you leave it as they are. It depends if your word is, of course, ascending or descending. If they're not in order, you just switch. So the idea is that by doing this, you have a sort of like bubbles. So with all the iterations, the bigger numbers or the smaller numbers, they flow. They float like on the left side. So that's the idea of the bubble sort. They can be implemented in many different ways. Some of them are more efficient, some of them are not. Yeah. And the complexity, I think the complexity, it's I don't know, it can be done in O log n, or no, I think it's O2. Let's see. And maybe we can have an implementation. Bubble sort algorithm. One day I'll do some algorithm videos. Simple sorting algorithm that compares adjacent elements in an array and swaps them until they are in intended order. Okay, start first and compare with the next. Yes, next part. So yeah. For I, for J. So basically it compares. We don't have an example. Let's see if this has, yeah. First with the second, then second with the third, then third with the fourth, and then fourth with the fifth. And then you do another iteration. So if you don't do any change, it's completed. Otherwise, it keeps iterating. It's one of the most basic program sorting algorithm ever. So that's it. Nice. But check this answer. Like this answer is really, really on point. It's like 4 lines. Example of implementation in Python. It's 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 lines of code with the example of usage, but 7 lines of code. And this is the output. Yeah, the complexity is O and 2. In it words and average cases. Yeah. Yes. So, great answer. Really great answer. Like it. Love it. Let me share the link here. No. So you can try this tool for free. You just have to sign up in the... Yeah, it's a good answer. I mean, I'm still waiting for a wrong answer. So you can just try it out here. Yes. Oh, wow. Really, really great. Really, really great. Nice. Okay. Nice. More questions. Come on. Nimrod is dropping more questions here. We want more questions. Okay, that's it. What are the top mistakes developers do in job interviews? Mistakes that developers do in job interviews. Let me see if I can guess them. You can try to guess some of them now. Let's do this. Come on. I'm taking the water. Be right back. Okay. By the way, I don't need the the headphones. So that's it. So which are the top mistakes developers do in job interviews? Come on, drop it. At least one. So I think that the top mistake is like focusing too much on the technical problem. Like I can give you as an interviewer a problem which is super hard to solve in an interview session. Maybe I want to just see how you think. So maybe I don't know, solving this, it will require this, some use case. Instead, you just focus on the problem instead of thinking more out of the box and say, okay, so maybe this is a problem that I can't solve like now during the interview, but I can like make a plan of how I will behave, what I will do. So like thinking small is one of the problems. Top mistakes, underselling yourself. Let's see. This is more like on interview side. Okay, so let's see. One, not being prepared. Okay, not being prepared, not research. Okay, I like this. Not researching the company or the position, not practicing answer to common interview question, not researching the being afraid to say they don't know something. Yes, I agree. Let's see. Not being able to talk about their skills and experience. Another common mistake is when developers get nervous in interviews and forget to talk about their skills and experience. Okay, not being able to answer technical questions. There we go. Pink pinball, there is yours. If a developer doesn't know the answer, it's important for them to be honest and transparent about it. You got it. Not being able to think critically. Some interviews include questions that require developers to think critically and demonstrate problem-solving skills. Yeah. Not being able to communicate effectively. Yeah. Communication skills are essential for developers. We should really understand this. To improve communication skills, developers can practice giving presentations and writing reports. They can also consider taking a communication course or workshop to develop communication strategies. Or you can join our Twitter Spaces. Effective communication demonstrates professionalism and the ability to collaborate with others. Sources. Okay. Dennis. Are you that Dennis or another Dennis? What are the habits of the top 100% of engineers? I think it's you. It's Dennis that works at daily.dev. Let me remove this. Okay. What are the habits of the top 100% engineers? Waking up early. Staying up to date. Waking up early. What else? Improve communication. Let's see. This. Waking up early, improve communication, staying up to date. That's it. Go. 7 habits. Code for the human, not the computer. Love this. I love it. Love it. I hate myself for not thinking about this code for human. Detach from the code itself. I love it. Love it. Use consistent standards. I like it. Write simple code. Okay. Communicate often. Code fast and slow. Okay. That's probably follow principle. Don't follow rules blindly. I like it. Like it. So with a habit, I also put like a personal habit, but yeah, I agree. Great points. Great points. We should all read this. Understanding business goals. Yes. I like this. Let's see if we find something. Code fast. I agree with you, Daphne. I agree. Like, developers are not just programmers anymore. You can develop an app, but you not just coding it. I like it. When would you consider? Okay, so let's go with this one. Nice. We are already 50 minutes inside this live stream. Don't forget to leave a like and share it. I'll check it now on social media. So if you just click the share button and tag daily.dev. So I'll put this like share it on social media, tagging daily.dev. So Twitter, and I think on LinkedIn is daily.dev. So on LinkedIn you can put daily.dev. You can share it now if you like this idea. If you want to have more of these live streams of us trying daily dev in a live stream, we can even think about like a working office hours. So if you like this idea, I love this idea. Support it, share it, and drop it. Okay, let's go back. Top mistakes. Okay, so let's go with this one. When would you consider a NoSQL design over an SQL design? So, so NoSQL, I think, in case the structure of the columns will change often. Like if you change the structure often, maybe I don't know, you already know that you want to change other columns. Probably a NoSQL database works better than having so less structure and more like things that you have to adapt. So probably in this case, I will use NoSQL database. And let's see. Yeah, differences. Okay, SQL versus NoSQL. When would you consider NoSQL? SQL database have primary data storage, NoSQL database have existed. An alternative. Specific requirements. Okay, SQL databases require. So we don't have an exact answer here. I don't want to say that it failed, but maybe it didn't understand the question itself. So it's still giving a differences, but not when you consider this over this. Let's try to reformulate the question. When is it better to use SQL rather than SQL? They use NoSQL rather than SQL, but I want to still read something here. So SQL databases offer powerful join clauses. Objective, I think this is here. NoSQL database allow data to be added anywhere at any time. So I think I got the answer. Francesco got the answer, but let's see. If I type this, so by putting this question, I got it correctly. A single database are preferred over a SQL database in certain use cases. Faster development, flexible data modeling, that's what I said, object-oriented representation, like it, scalability, high traffic, and zero downtime. Okay. Nice. Good. Understanding missing goal. It should ask me, what are the most loved developer tools? Most loved developer tools. Let's see. Will daily.dev be here? We are not tool, we are a platform. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so we are developer tools, but I mean, these are frameworks. Okay, React, Vue.js, Angular, Svelte, Ember, code editors, VS Code, WebStorm, Atom, Bracket, Sublime, testing tools, mobile app applications, debugging and performance modeling, version control system. Okay, so it's not talking about developer tools. These are like frameworks, but yes. Yeah, most loved developer tools in 2023. I don't know if you are happy with the answer. Okay. One of our favorite questions, asking for a specific version of something. Okay. I think that after a while I get some limitation. So probably now I'll try to go back with my own. No. So I think that I need another user, but the problem is that I don't have it. One moment. Let me think. How can I do this? One moment. Let me try this. One moment. One moment. Second. Okay, so let's go with this. Are you still there? Okay. Okay, so what's the latest version of Python? What's let me close this. What's the latest version of Python? Let's start with the let's start with the typo. Let's start with the typo. Let's see if he gets with the typo. Latency version of Python. You got it. The version of Python is Python 3.12. Is it correct? Wow, it's correct. What? I love it. I love it. This will be a tweet. Why does it suck like this? Peak of the live stream. Peak of the live stream. It was now. Paint. Nice. So basically, on the python.org/downloads, while JavaScript is not essential for this website, your interaction with the content will be limited. Please turn JavaScript on. Nice. So, tech generated the shotgun answer. Okay, let's go back here and okay, let's go back here. So, can you define functional versus object-oriented versus procedural programming? Like it? The answer. So there are different types of programming. You can achieve same goals using different paradigms. So we have functional, object-oriented, and procedural. Procedural is the oldest one. It's like doing something as a procedure, as a sequence of instructions. Object-oriented is everything is an object. That's like the mantra. Everything is an object. And functional programming is all based, of course, on function. And I think that there are some rules, like trying to have function or only one output. Let's see. So 3 types. Procedural. Okay. So procedural. Organize code into procedures and routines. Features include scoping, modularity, and parameters. In many advantage, easy and simple to implement in modularized programs, better organization, general purpose. Disadvantage, exposed data, focus on procedural than data organization, less organized. Object-oriented. Many building blocks objects represent real-world representation of real-world entities. Language. Functional programming. Basic units are functions. Functions are treated as first-class citizens. as it is in JavaScript. So, okay. Fun fact, in the languages, there is not JavaScript. This is interesting. Can I do functional programming with JavaScript as first class, as functions as first class citizens as a default? Easier to model and reason, ideal for concurrent and parallel programming, better compiler optimization, security and self programs, elegant programs. So, can I do functional programming with JavaScript? Can I do functional programming with JavaScript? I think yes. I think I can. Can I do functional programming with JavaScript? Yes, you can. So in the previous answer, JavaScript was not mentioned. That's the only thing that's a bit strange. But I mean, great answers. I like that they are not super long. They are, I don't know. As sometimes on other tools, I have like an answer which is super long, and I have to say like, please say something shorter. And then the answer is too short, and say, okay, a bit longer. In the size of the answers, I really like it. What are the best practices for writing clean code? So this is a book. This is not an answer. And I think it's clean code. Let's see if I get some of them. Best practices for writing clean code. I think readability, maintainability, and so readability, maintainability, like easy to improve, and like basically changing something doesn't require like a huge complexities. That is religion. Some people are even against like the clean code principles. So we are going into something clean code. Meaningful naming conventions. Okay. Principle of single responsibility. So consensus. Dear I, don't repeat yourself. Comment wisely and appropriately. Establish a coding for. Okay, I forgot this. I should have remembered this. Coding format and stick to it. Test the code. I forgot to say it, but yes. Refactor code as necessary. Yes. I like it. Yeah. Clean code. Best practices and principles. Interesting. So we already crossed 1 hour. I think soon we will wrap this up. If you liked this live stream, you can leave a like, you can share it. I'm checking now on social media. If you share this, so I can share it again. Let's see. Thank you, Pink Pin Ball. Yes, thank you so much. I'm sharing it again. Thank you. It really means a lot. So maybe last question. What are the most frequently used design patterns? Oh no. Control C. So wow, almost 50% of the people, they didn't know about this search feature. Nice. So let's go here. Let's go here at the top. Design patterns. Okay. I think this will be the last one because I already crossed 1 hour. The most frequently used design patterns. Singleton, design pattern. Factory method. Not many people know that I made articles about them. Singleton, factory method, constructor builder. We're not going to the details, but yes. Builder, adapter, design pattern. Yeah. Decorator, design pattern. Facade. I know this is my favorite one, observer design pattern. This is basically all the RxJS libraries based on this. Probably my favorite design pattern. Chain of responsibility, strategy. There are so many. And I mean, they should not be a religion, but we should at least, I think we all agree that we should at least know that they exist. Now, you can hate them, but at least I think the good thing of a design pattern is not in the implementation itself, is that is in the human communication. You can say someone, hey, I implemented a singleton. Someone say, maybe it was not useful, but I understand in one word what you did. This is what I really like. This is why I usually like design patterns, because it's a great way to communicate what you're doing with another human. It gives a sort of standard. Sometimes it's not the best solution, but it's a good solution for other humans. I think that we are nice. So I think that we are done for today. I hope you enjoyed this test, this real world test. We tested the framework heavily. And again, this is absolutely free. You can test it out. You enjoyed this? Thank you so much, Pinkball. I really Pink Pinball. I hope that we can do something else, and maybe you know, in the future we can do some weekly office hours with daily.dev. And yeah, thank you so much. Remember to support this. Thank you so much, Daphna. If we liked this approach, you know that I'm shameless. I like to do this. I want to give a huge shout out to daily.dev, because not many companies they do this, like doing a live stream about their new product, which is still in beta. So this shows the strength of this tool. Absolutely free for everyone. You just have to join the waitlist. It's really, really valuable. I really think this. There are not many free tools that you just have to sign up on the daily.dev, sign up on the waitlist, and just wait, and it will work. If you want some codes, you see I have some codes here. You can reply here, or I think it's better if you send a DM to me or the daily.dev Twitter account, and we'll give you free access to the search functionality. So that's it. I will much more of your stream. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was not script at all, not preparation. Even the questions by Nimrod and Daphna, they were not script at all. So I'm honestly happy and surprised, because it's not easy to create these AI tools. Not easy at all. They are fine-tuned for developers. They get some knowledge from your, let's say, from your developer, from your experience on daily.dev, and that's it. Nice. Thank you. So let's go back here in this mode. Again, this was a real test. This was not a recorded video. This was not something artificial. We are trying this tool live. You can tell your friends. We can get some list. There is a link of the daily.dev search in the description. You can check it out. And yes, I hope you enjoyed it. And let's see. We will try to improve. Of course, there is no AI tool which is perfect, not even the top ones. And so we'll keep improving it. And of course, if you want to support this, I think the best solution will be to just spread the word, be genuine, be authentic. If you liked it, just tell a friend. It's okay. They can also benefit from this for free. Perfect. Nice. Bye, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.